If you want to add a cover to your highlights, we're gonna open the app, and as you can see right here, I have a highlight with a very nice cover that I just made, and I'm gonna make another one. So let's do it. I'm gonna go back to Google and I'm gonna search for, let's say star icon, and then I'm gonna choose this one. If you wanna like double check if you're choosing the right image, like an image with no background or PNG, some of those images show these squares like checker on the background. That means that it has no background, or it means that it's a PNG. So I'm just gonna save this image to my camera roll. Then you can like look for a background. You can search something like Instagram stories background, and then you can see all these different backgrounds. I already have one in my camera roll, so I'm just gonna use that one, and I'm gonna open Fonto. I'm gonna delete this project so we can start from scratch. So I'm gonna open the app, and then I'm gonna choose the background that I have in my camera roll. It's gonna be this blue one, and I'm gonna click done. Then I'm gonna click on this stripes, and then I'm gonna click on add image, and I'm gonna look for the star, which should be PNG. Yeah, it is PNG, and I'm gonna resize it to 100. I think that works for me. And I'm gonna make sure it's center, and I'm gonna click on move, and click on these 4 arrows, and yeah, that means that is centered. I'm gonna save the project, and I'm gonna post an Instagram story. And I'm gonna choose this project that I just made. I'm gonna post it, and see what's gonna happen. So now I'm gonna create another highlight with the same color but different icon, so you can have like the same appearance. I'm gonna click on highlight, click on highlight. I'm gonna add new, and I'm gonna name it star, and then I'm gonna click on add and done. And as you can see, I have another cover, and that's how you can make it. We can resize it if you give it a click, and then click on edit highlight, edit cover, and we can make it a little bigger. Click done, and then it's gonna be a little bigger. I think it should be a little smaller so they can look pretty like close or the same, but this is how you do it. Then you can just keep adding highlights and add different covers so they look the same. I hope this video was helpful, and if you want to support this channel, I'm gonna leave some links in the description. Thank you.